Today we're making the crispiest but fluffiest roasted potatoes. Hi everyone, welcome to Black Cat Kitchen. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest, fluffiest roasted potatoes with my special ingredient, duck fat. So let's get started. See the description below for a list of ingredients. I've scrubbed our potatoes and now I'm going to peel them. Potatoes are important when thinking about roasting. I like to use a yellow-fleshed, red-skinned potato because I find they really hold their shape better, but they still get that nice creaminess on the inside. You could use a Yukon Gold or a Maris Piper as well. Those will also make beautiful roasted potatoes. When roasting potatoes, it's important to think about surface area because that's the part that's going to get nice and crispy. So I'm going to cut this on a bit of an angle, and then I'm going to do the same here, and I'm going to cut this last piece in half. You're only looking at 2 to 3 cuts per potato depending on their size. Now you can see all of that surface area that's going to get nice and crunchy. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Put your potatoes into a large pot and cover well with cold water. Cold water is important here because it helps your potatoes to cook more evenly. You want to add about 2 tablespoons of salt here. The potatoes can really take the seasoning. Now we'll crank that up to high and let it start to boil. While our potatoes are parboiling, we're going to prep our roasting tin. In goes a few tablespoons of duck fat. This is where all the flavor comes from. We're going to pop our roasting tray into our preheated oven so that the fat gets nice and bubbly. Once your water has started to boil, turn it down to medium heat so it's on a gentle simmer. You're looking to cook these for about 6 to 8 minutes, just until your fork will start to go through the potato. We're going to let the colander sit over the hot pot so that the steam helps to dry out those potatoes. But while they're drying, I'm just going to rough them up in the colander a little bit so that they get little fluffy bits on the edges. And my secret ingredient is a squeeze of lemon juice. I'm also going to season them really well with salt. You can see our duck fat is extremely hot, so you'll want to put these into the pan very carefully. Give your pan a little tilt so all of the fat covers the bottom of the potatoes, and then flip all of your potatoes over so that they're coated on both sides. Now into the oven for 25 minutes. Then take them out, give them a flip, and then back into the oven for another 20 minutes. Now they're ready to serve. These potatoes can actually be cooked the day before. Just let them cool to room temperature and cover them up, and then when you're ready to reheat them, pop them in a hot oven for about 10 to 15 minutes just so they get crispy again on the outside, and you're ready to go. And if you love this roast potato video, you're going to really love my honey roasted parsnips, so just check them out right there. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, likes are free. We'd love for you to subscribe, and please leave a comment down below. See you next time.